to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we are about to explore an essential skill in data management, finding and removing duplicates in Excel. What are duplicates in Excel? First things first, let us understand what duplicates are in Excel. Duplicates are pesky entries that can mess up your analysis. Today, we will show you how to spot them and remove them from your spreadsheet. Formula to find duplicates in Excel. We will explore the COUNTIF formula. COUNTIF allows you to count occurrences in a range based on a given criteria. In our case, we are using it to find duplicate entries. Remember, this formula takes the range and criteria as arguments. But hold on, what if you want to be case sensitive? We have crafted a formula that checks for case sensitive duplicates using the exact function. It's a bit complex, so remember to type it using Ctrl-Shift-Enter as it's an array formula. Alright, now let us explore 5 powerful methods to identify and remove pesky duplicates. Number 1. Conditional formatting. Just select your data range, head to Conditional Formatting under Styles in the Home tab, choose Highlight Cell Rules and click Duplicate Values. Your duplicates are highlighted. Number 2. Conditional Formatting Specific Occurrences. But what if you want to find duplicates that occur a specific number of times? With Conditional Formatting Specific Occurrences, you can highlight duplicates that match your chosen number of occurrences. Number 3. Change rules. Sometimes you need to clear existing rules to make way for new ones. Select Conditional Formatting from Styles and choose Clear Rules. You can either clear rules from selected cells or remove all rules from the sheet. Number 4. COUNTIF formula. It is a versatile way to locate duplicates in Excel. You just enter the COUNTIF formula and drag it down to get your results. Number 5. Remove duplicates. Last but not least, we have remove duplicates. This method permanently deletes duplicates, so be cautious. Choose your data range, go to the Data tab and click Remove Duplicates. It's a clean and effective way to declutter your data. And there you have it, folks. We have explored multiple methods to find and remove duplicates in Excel. You are now armed with the skills to keep your data clean and accurate. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.